So are you looking for a brilliant tripod for vlogging or just using your camera on a daily basis? Well, then I've got one right in front of me here. This is the new Ulanzi TT38 one-click tabletop tripod. This thing's brilliant. We're going to talk about it in this video today. So Ulanzi did send me this to test out, but it's not a sponsored video. I've just been very impressed with using this. I've had it a couple of weeks now, and it's got some really unique features, but it does have some drawbacks which you need to know before you purchase this thing. But overall, it's a fantastic product. So this is the product in the box. You get this wicked tripod, and basically the star of the show is this switch here. You've got a switch on the top of the handle here. You press that and the legs pop out. One switch, quick tabletop tripod, so you can stand it up. Very stable, very good quality, and it has these sort of rubber feet on the bottom to stop it sliding around. A very good quality ball head as well, which you can adjust, and it does have a pan switch, so you can pan and tilt it left and right and up and down, whatever you want to do. You've got a culture on the side for your microphone. I've been using it with the Rode Wireless Pro that I'm just going to put on there like that just to demonstrate. So that fits on there, and then you've got your microphone on the side as well, and you don't have to have it mounted onto the camera, so that's great. One switch. That thing is so quick, and it's just easy to use, and then you just pick it up, close it, easy to go. Really nice quality handle on this as well. It comes with the camera mount in the box to fit on this fast release tripod head. Basically you click it in there like so, and it snaps in there. You've got this release button which you just press to get it off. It's got this lock on there that you sort of switch across to actually stop you accidentally pressing the button, and you don't want your camera to fall on the floor, but it's very, very reliable. I've been using my Sony ZVE1 on there, and it's held that no problem at all. The actual camera mount is compatible with other things like the Falcam F38 and these ones from iFootage, the C-Stars Q38. It's all the same sort of system, so if you've got those systems, that actually works with this head as well, which is really handy. It also has this little hook on the bottom which you can undo like so, and then you can hang this upside down on fences, on the side of benches or chairs or something, to get that sort of unique look as well. So you can like hang it on a fence and record with your camera there. So that's really handy. That's built in there that you can just put down. So it's really handy that you can just put it down quickly and get sort of shots like this, talking and whatever you're going to do with your vlog. It's just really easy to press that button, you slide it up, it snaps open, you put it down, doesn't slide around, it's really stable, and yeah, you can get shots like this. Then you pick it up, put the legs back in, and you're off again vlogging. So quick and easy. Now, I did mention a disadvantage, and the one that I've come across is if you're left-handed, then this is going to be tricky to use. This is sort of only built for right-handed people, so you have to press the button like that, and they come out from the left-hand side and go like that. If you're left-handed, so you're holding it like that, you can press the button, your hand is blocking these legs popping out. So just something to think about. If you're using this and you are left-handed, it probably won't be as quick as using it with your right hand, obviously, because you're going to block it with your hand. So yeah, just one thing to note if you're thinking about purchasing this. But apart from that, this thing's really good. Very nice grip, great build quality, great ball head on there, nice mounting system, quick release, space there for your microphone. It's pretty perfect actually. The only other things that I think it might be missing is a selfie stick. If it had like an extended selfie stick that would give you a little bit more reach, that would be good. And if they could sort of build sort of a power bank in here and a Bluetooth remote, this would be the perfect tripod. But maybe they'll bring that in future generations. But apart from that, this is a fantastic vlogging tripod. This is definitely going to be my go-to for the future. Well, that's it for this one. If you want to grab the Ulanzi TT38, there will be a link in the description down below. It's a great product, fully recommend it. Until next time though guys, maybe you want to check out this video here, you might like that one, and if you like these kind of videos, check out this playlist over there as well. Subscribe to the channel, really does help, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.